My dog is as smelly as dirty socks. And other funny family portraits by Hanoch Piven. My teacher asked me to draw a picture of my family, and this is what I drew. My big brother, my daddy, my mommy, me, my baby brother, and Schmutz. I showed it to her and she said, "How great is that?" But I didn't like it. Look at my dad. There are so many things about him that you don't see in this picture. Like, my daddy is as jumpy as a spring and as playful as a spinning top. He is as fun as a party favor. But sometimes, he's as stubborn as a knot in a rope. So I made my picture better. See? That's him. Isn't he nutty? And what about this drawing of my mom? Sorry, but it doesn't tell the whole story. My mommy is as soft as the softest fluff and as bright as the brightest light. She's as tasty as the crunchiest cookie. No, tastier. She's as delicious as a croissant. That's my yummy mommy. Mommy, I'm going to eat you all up. And now you're probably wondering what my big brother is really like. Well, my brother is as amusing as a game of marbles and as strong as a baseball bat. But when we play hide and seek, he's as sneaky as a snake. Oh, and one more thing, he eats like a, I'll give you a clue, oink, oink. Pig. That's my brother right there. And what about my baby brother? He is not this quiet. My baby brother is as sweet as candy. This is true. But he never stops crying. He's as loud as a whistle, or maybe a horn, or even an alarm clock. No, louder. He's as loud as a fire truck. Isn't he cute? Now, shh. And then there is Schmutz. I'll be honest with you. Schmutz stinks. Schmutz is as stinky as an onion. He's as nasty as canned fish, as icky as pepperoni, and as smelly as dirty socks. Turn the page at your own risk. Yucky boo. I warned you. But what about me? Well, there is so much I want to tell you about me. I am a princess, as majestic as a crown, and as sugary as a jelly bean. I am as sharp as a pencil, and as sparkly as a star. Wait, I have more. I am as colorful as a flower, and as lovely as perfume. I am as strong as a stone, and as good as an angel. Hey, I'm not done yet. I am as funny as a tickly feather, and as curious as a magnifying glass. I am faster than a calculator, and all around as special as beach glass. But more important than all of that, my heart is big. And with it, I love my special family. Now, tell me about your special family. What do they look like? Here's a list of objects that can help you think about how to make portraits of your family. Things that say smart: ruler, numbers, owl. Things that say funny: chattering teeth, clown nose, toy monkey. Things that say scratchy: steel wool, sharp teeth, cactus. Things that say soft: teddy bear, cotton ball, slipper. Things that say strong: action figure, elephant, hammer.